Hi Mahesh,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm good, Mahesh. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you introduce about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Mahesh. I'm from Bangalore. I have completed my BTech in REVA University. Uh, in CMTI, I have taken IDM course.
So which year passed out your?
I'm 2019 BTech passer, 2021 MTech.
Okay. So which course you have obtained here, Mahesh?
Here I opted interior design and site management course.
Okay, fine. So what and all you learned in that?
In that, I have learned interior design, SketchUp, V-Ray, rendering, and AutoCAD. Then procurement, QA, QC, and interior fit-out management. These are all subjects I learned.
Okay. So how are you? Like, how was your trainers and all?
Trainers were very well experienced, ma'am. They used to explain us very nicely, and if you have any doubt, they used to clear us in the class itself.
Okay. So you have taken training in online, right? So how was the training? Whether it was effective?
Yes, ma'am. Online training was effective, and since it is uh, I'm not able to travel, so I took online. And even Vidya ma'am used to help if I miss the class or any network issues. Vidya ma'am used to send me recording of the class. That helped us very much.
Okay, fine. So what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Mahesh?
Uh, I would like to suggest them CMTI, and if they are thinking about choosing, uh, they want to learn and get placed, they can immediately join, and no need to think twice about that.
Fine. So what about CMTI app and all? How did that help you?
CMTI app was very helpful. Like if you miss any class and we are not able to understand, even at any time of the day, we can see the app and learn the subjects and get our doubts clarified.
I hope you're happy with your placement.
Yes, I'm very happy with the placement.
Okay, so how was Ashok sir guidance and all?
Yes, sir. Ashok sir work was very helpful from the day one. He was guiding us what course to take or even in the site visits. He used to come and teach us things, and he used to guide us in give guidance about uh, how to make our career nice.
So thank you, Mahesh. Thank you so much for your feedback. So all the best for your future and congratulations for your placements once again. Thank you, Mahesh.
Thank you, ma'am.